Hi, my name is Oleg and I want to share this course with you. We'll make Stylized Superman model, also all props and accessories. We will start by talking about base mesh, then we will start to block shapes and proportions by bringing our references to Spotlight, which is really important. So we will try to clean our mesh, also to make rough sketch of head, hands, muscle indentations and generally to achieve good proportions. After initial blockout is done, we will polypaint Superman costume, hands, pants, boots and belt to have a better visualization. Then we will start to make organic parts of a model. We will start from a fist and I explain how to make them look as good as possible. After that, I will show you how to make Superman iconic face, where I will explain what to look for when sculpting the head. Then we will make a placeholder for a hair by using a sphere. Also, we will polypaint hair and I will show you how to get Superman iconic hairstyle. After that, I will add eyes and then I will polypaint them. Since eyes are very important, I will explain how to avoid odd or a strange look. Final touch will be adding proper material to achieve a glossy look. Next, we will retopologize a head and project all details. After that, I will polypaint a head and I will add eyebrows, so the model will look more or less complete. Then I will make a low poly version of his costume and I will reproject existing details. Also, I will create boots by extracting from existing geometry, and by using the remesher, I will make a low poly model. After that, I will finalize them by adding thickness and subdivisions. Then it will be time to remesher here and to refine it by making the final touches. After that, I will start to make a cape by using a simple plane and the modeler brush. Also, I will reproject Superman logo to a body using ZBrush brush just to have a better visual representation. Once we are happy with the overall look of our character, I will show how to make good pose with the transpose master in ZBrush. I will show how to achieve great dynamic pose just in ZBrush, utilizing ZBrush powerful masking tool. After that, I will refine shapes and forms of a model so his muscle and overall dynamic pose will look great. After pose is done, I will continue to create accessories such as pants, belt and belt buckle. Also, I will polypaint them. Of course, I will continue to work on a cape by adding folds and give it a dynamic look. For this task, we will be using Sculptris Pro. Finally, I will show how to make his iconic logo using only alpha, and then I will show how to make a low poly version of his logo so we can easily place it on a body using the project brush. Then we will make some polypainting for his costume and we will clean some mistakes. After that, we will start to refine all those things that we have made. I will start to add wrinkles where it makes sense on his costume and his pants. Also, to finalize his costume, I will add seam lines. I will add final touches to his cape, utilizing different techniques to achieve best possible look. At this point we're almost done, but there is still some things left. One of them is of course base. I will make it from a cylinder using the modeler brush. I will show you some simple technique which is essential for this kind of job. Also, I will show how to create UVs utilizing the ZBrush powerful UV master. After that, I will generate texture from a polypaint. Finally, I will show how to decimate our model using the decimation master and to keep UVs. So now we're done with ZBrush and our models look great, and we can start to work with Marmoset Toolbag to achieve the best possible look. So, we'll start by explaining how to bring your model to Marmoset. After that, I will explain how to create materials and additional maps such as ambient occlusion and cavity maps. Then I explain how to assign materials to according models. Also, I will explain my render and camera configurations. I will show how to add a turntable and how to achieve the best possible look for our model. This tutorial is step by step, no fast forward, no skips. So enroll now.